If you own a restaurant, stop what you're doing and do this now. I think that a lot of restaurant owners are not taking advantage of this huge opportunity online. And so we're going to talk about it. But before we do that, please don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all of the above. It really helps me out, gets this video pushed out to more people, and it encourages me to make more videos. So please like, follow, subscribe. This video is brought to you by Brand Video Pros Members Lab, where we teach brands and influencers how to scale their influence and sales. So let's begin. All right, so I say this time and time again, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Snapchat Spotlights, Instagram Reels, they are what? 1 minute to 30 seconds, depending on your type of channel. They're essentially a new way of creating an ad for your business. And the consumption rate of them are so high because people are consuming so much. You see the numbers, they're crazy numbers. People on TikTok get 20 million followers overnight or over like the course of like a year. But but the traditional route, which is making long form YouTube channels, still very relevant, still very important, takes a lot more effort to execute, but it takes more time also to get a following. But if you are a brand, pay attention. If you are a restaurant owner, you own any type of company that manufactures a good, any kind of goods, not only restaurants, candle makers, artisans, whatever it be, you should document the process of making your product. These videos get millions of views and it's just advertising your business. I'll give you two examples. Elon Musk, I talked about him before. This guy he works at Subway making subs and gaining subs on YouTube. He got 2 million followers, over 2 million followers in a very short period of time, just making Subway sandwiches. He used to work at Subway, but I think his parents owned that Subway, and then he got a sponsorship from Subway. They paid him to continue to promote it. I'll give you another example. This kid works at Cold Stone. Dylan LeMay, or LeMay, I think it's Dylan LeMay. He has 10 million followers on TikTok. Dylan LeMay. What does he do? He works at Cold Stone, literally making ice cream. And all his videos show the process of him serving ice cream. So he's making a lot of money from TikTok's creator program, where they pay their creators. Snapchat Spotlights, they pay you on Snapchat Spotlights to promote your stuff, to make content for them. And then YouTube Shorts, you're going to make money from YouTube AdSense revenue. So these are all AdSense revenue models where creators are making money, a lot of money. It's a lot of money to advertise a brand that they already own or that they're promoting. So if you own a restaurant, build into your marketing strategy the process of making that food. Not only is it going to drive consumers to your business, to consume your business, to come and pay for the products and services, it's a marketing tool for your business. If I were you, I would hire somebody, a head of content creation, to do this, to capture this. Because why should your employee be making all the money? Which is like cool. If your employee is making the money, he's promoting your business anyway, great. I'm all for creators finding opportunities, and I'm all for upward mobility. But if you can hire a head of content for your office who just makes these videos consistently, you can have all these revenue streams that are coming into your business, and also while also promoting your business to your market so that more people want to come and consume your business. So I would try and figure out a strategy like that if I own a restaurant. So that's my thoughts on that. Let me know your thoughts. Please do leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all of the above. This video is brought to you by Brand Video Pros Members Lab, the online course that teaches brands and influencers how to scale their influence and sales. I hope this video was helpful to you. My name is Kenim. See you next time. A peace.